you're really looking for a challenge, you should definitely try rowing.
Someone said, "Why don't you row?" I was like, okay.
Ensuite, tu vas trouver ça super le fun.
It's friendship and bonding and crew.
You need to show the rest of your teammates that you're working as hard as you can.
Quand tu essaies ça, là tu vas dire OK, eux ils rament plus vite que moi, c'est difficile, ça gosse, beaucoup d'entraînement, mais il faut pas que tu lâches.
Obviously you ask a rower and they'll obviously mention pain when they talk about rowing. That's for part of your practice, part of your race. The rest of it is just, it's friendship and bonding and crew.
Everybody has a different role to play, but every role is important to the whole.
I came in at 17 and I could just start from there.
Everyone was learning the skill at the same time.
L'aviron est un sport pas comme les autres. C'est pas le baseball, c'est pas le basketball, c'est pas le soccer.
It's not just like basketball where you have to know how to dribble a ball.
On a des jeunes là, qui n'avaient jamais fait de sport avant, qui sont venus essayer une fois par curiosité, puis aujourd'hui ils sont au Chapelle canadien scolaire.
I wasn't very active.
She's never been competitive in another sport.
On a un gars particulièrement, là, ça fait 1 an qu'il rame avec nous autres. Il a vraiment monté en flèche. C'était un gars qui avait aucun background sportif.
I lost 60 pounds.
N'importe qui s'y met peut atteindre le but, autant que c'est un but que lui, il croit.
When you're out in the water, that's what really counts, and there's a lot of respect for that.
I was a heavy kid growing up, and when I started rowing, I lost like 20 pounds in my first 2 years.
It becomes easier knowing that just as much as I hurt, they all hurt the same, and we're all there for each other. We'll have each other's backs.
You get better and you make friends, over time, it happens.
Chez les jeunes, je pense que ça a développé une discipline très très importante.
If you commit to being there, you have to be there.
C'est rare de voir des jeunes de 15 ans se lever à 5 heures le matin pour aller ramer.
We have a really great coach. He gives a lot of dedication to us.
Il n'y a pas vraiment de danger, puis c'est vraiment amusant, puis l'esprit d'équipe est vraiment le fun.
The connection that I have with my rowing friends is so different and so much stronger than with my other friends.
Puis ça devient aussi très intéressant des fois de voir un gars en skiff s'entraîner contre un double ou un quad de filles.
Being able to have not only guys but girls as well. Tough to describe.
Il y a 2 filles qui rament maintenant avec nous.
Ça crée des liens, c'est sûr, c'est fantastique.
I'd never really found a sport that I could get into, and it was getting harder and harder because hockey and soccer is stuff people have been doing since they're 5.
I'm not really good at the whole hand-eye coordination thing. I get really nervous, but rowing made me stop being so nervous.
It's a team sport, but you can focus on yourself and challenge yourself as well.
You get really a variety of different things, weights, ergs, out on the water.
Rowing, it's like an outdoor sport, you're with friends on the water. I like that a lot more than being in a gym.
It made me smarter because I was not as smart before I joined this sport.
We know girls who've gotten 100% scholarships to the University of Washington, going to, Stanford, I think.
Il y en a qui arrivent la première pratique, ils n'ont jamais ramé, ils sont en jeans, ils ont des chandails de métal, ils ont des ongles peinturés. Puis aujourd'hui, ils sont en One Piece, puis ils se promènent toute la journée en One Piece. Jamais ils auraient pu penser ça.
I find rowing helps in school because after erging for half an hour, math class doesn't seem quite so hard.
We've had athletes who, are the perfect build for rowing, tall, long limbs, but have never been interested in volleyball or basketball.
I liked rowing because of the idea of that technique, the rhythm, finding the togetherness.
I've never worked so hard in my life, and I played hockey all my life.
J'ai arrêté le football, mais j'avais besoin d'un partner.
Fait qu'il m'a invité pour ramer avec lui.
I was doing cross country and I got injured and I wanted to do something else that was really physical, so I started rowing and I ended up being better at it than I am at running.
You commit to this every day and rowing becomes your life, and it's not a bad thing, it's actually more of a good thing. You're doing something with a bunch of really good guys.
Dance, you just go to your studio, you do your dance here. You have all different schools, you get to meet different people.
Like when you're out there, there's just you. You don't have any adults, coaches, anyone, like especially when you're racing, it's just you, like teenagers, have to go and make the decisions for yourself.
Je suis en contrôle là, parce qu'il faut toujours aller droit, faut pas foncer dans les bouées ou sur le bord.
You need to show the rest of your teammates that you're working as hard as you can, so they put trust in you.
Des fois, là, juste un matin, t'es endormi un peu, puis tu te concentres plus, puis il faut vraiment que tu te pousses, puis il faut se challenger entre nous pour que ça marche bien. Là.
You know, you're stuck in a crew boat in the middle of a body of water with people that you have to depend on in some shape or form to move forward.
All of them seem to know that the more work that they put in, the better it is that they're going to be prepared for whatever outcome they want.
I started rowing in high school, grade 10.
So I started rowing in grade 9 at Stellies.
I actually love the team morale.
I was always cycling or running or other stuff. Anyone who was in high school with me can remember why I wasn't on the basketball team.
I remember the first time I rowed and how frustrated I was that this mammoth 6-foot oar wouldn't do what I wanted it to do. But then I also remember the first time getting those blades off the water and hearing the bubbles, the sounds, the peacefulness.
And I got recruited to row at Harvard University and then came back to Canada and made the Senior A national team.
Rowing in high school established that that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to carry on and be a national team athlete and pursue my Olympic dream.